Divorce and emotions, they're really intertwined, aren't they? And sometimes people feel like the emotions are so overwhelming in the divorce, they just don't know how to handle them and what to do. I'm Catherine Miller, and I've been a divorce attorney in New York City and New York State for over 30 years. And wow, have I seen a lot of people go through really overwhelming emotions getting divorced. And honestly, I've been experienced them myself when I went through my own divorce. And so what do you do with those feelings? So often the conventional wisdom is set them aside. Oh, try to think of this as a business deal, those kinds of things, which I think are really unrealistic. And because I'm really interested in this topic, I've been doing a lot of reading and research about it. And I came across first a TED Talk by a woman named Susan David, who actually wrote a book called Emotional Agility. And I just finished her book. And I just wanted to share with viewers some of the interesting things that she says. And she says that emotions really will hang you up if you bottle them or you brood on them. So what does that mean? You bottle them up and try to pretend they don't exist and don't share with the other people what it is that you're feeling. You just pretend as if you don't have those emotions. When that happens, they sort of just take over your life because they're everywhere you look, and you feel so, I don't know, constipated with the emotions that you're having. And the other thing that she says not to do is to brood on them, where you're constantly thinking about it all the time. I'm so angry. I'm so sad. I'm so depressed. I'm so anxious, over and over and over and over again, where it just takes over your life. And frankly, no one wants to talk to you because that's all you want to talk about. Instead, what she suggests is naming them. Name your feelings, acknowledge them, and use that experience of just being where you are to process the emotions and get through to what's really valuable. Another thing that she talks about is that those emotions are there and they're covering a value. Underneath that feeling or the pain or the anger is a value that you feel in some way, or there's an experience of being challenged. And understanding that value is really useful information, and it's certainly useful information in your divorce. So I'm going to post a link to Susan David's TED Talk in the comments below and encourage you to listen to it. And of course, if you've got any family law questions, contact us. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for listening.